finished steel products under BIS. That's old news. The real disruption is here. From June 16, 2025, your raw materials, yes, even coils and billets, must be BIS certified. An Indian importer signed a bulk supply deal with a Chinese steel manufacturer. Raw materials worth crores were already shipped. Everything was smooth until this new rule dropped. From June 16, 2025, even raw materials like coils and billets must be BIS certified and SIMS registered. But the shipment is already on the water, no BIS, no clearance. Now, that business faces port detention, penalties, and a halted production line, all because of a rule no one saw coming. In this video, we'll break down the new raw material rule for steel imports, how it's different from the older QCO, why MSME are struggling, and what practical solutions are being suggested. Welcome to MindSync. We provide compliance, consulting, legal and advisory services. It all began on the 5th of February 2024, when the Ministry of Steel issued the first Steel and Steel Products Quality Control Order, 2024. It mandated BIS licensing for a select list of steel items. Yet it left out detailed mappings and raw material requirements. Introduced Schedule 1 that needs BIS standard mark and test certificate. Next Schedule 2 allows Scheme 4 COC or BIS certified inputs. Further, on the 29th of August 2024, a new order released expanding scope to 151 Indian standards, covering finished goods and semi-finished items. Raw material expansion. The real disruptor, effective the 16th of June 2025. SIMS portal registration becomes mandatory before shipment. Bill of entry filings now require upload of your BIS license and the mill test certificate. What's changing? Under the latest directive issued by the Ministry of Steel, manufacturers are now mandated to use only BIS certified input steel or base materials for the production of various categories of finished steel products. This marks a significant shift from previous norms, where certification was often limited to final goods. The order introduces specific input to output material mappings, ensuring full traceability and quality compliance across the entire manufacturing chain. For example, manufacturers must now align with clearly defined standards such as high carbon steel wire rods as input for the following, and then there are other products requiring raw material conditions as follows, and the list has many more. Drop us a mail to get the full order. MSME impact. Why small players struggle. Zero transition time. Many paid advances on shipments now deemed non-compliant. Demurrage and penalty bills are piling up. Overseas mills face 6 to 9 months of audits and tests before they can secure BIS licenses. Solutions and call to action. Already shipped raw materials. Apply for a no objection certificate (NOC) immediately to avoid detention. For upcoming imports, ensure SIMS registration is done before shipment. Start the BIS certification process now. If your supplier isn't certified, approvals take time. Need help with NOC, SIMS, or BIS? MindSync is here to support you.